Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer your Uber cash to your bank account. So there's a few things you need to know. Stick close and let's climb straight in. Okay, so first of all, if you have your Uber app open, you can go to account and you'll see right at the top, you'll see your payments tab, right? Okay, so the thing is to transfer Uber cash to your bank account, you cannot do it directly as if it's an Uber cash amount, it's only meant to be used to redeem for rides or eats or whatever else you can do within the app. The thing is, if you're using it and you're adding cash to that amount, okay, and there is a remaining balance, you can go now into your Uber account and you can convert this cash from your Uber cash into your bank account. So if you can see over here, it says Uber cash. If you've added cash to this, if you've added a balance to this, then you'll be able to actually transfer it into your bank account directly. So you'll now go into this amount over here and you'll be able to initiate a withdrawal directly from here. Now, if this was helpful, if it was able to shed some light on the situation, go ahead, drop us a like. And if you have any questions, drop it down below. We'll see you next time.